So any doubts on this creating levels grids? So written in online, you can ask your questions. So if you are clear means I'll go to another so how to create the walls. Okay. Start the walls. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So don't forget to save your project. So every 2 minutes, every 2 or 1 minute. So just keep 1 or 2 minutes. So don't save your projects. If you're not saved means everything will go. Because sometimes the project, the file cap is heavy means, so it will the software will get crashed. So everything get lost. So don't forget to save your project. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Same. Here we have the save option. Or else control the same. Okay. So here I have created grids. Okay. So I have changed the names. And I have created the grids and I have changed the distances also. Okay. Let's say I'll take this as 13 meter. By randomly you can take. Okay. So we'll provide the plan. Okay. So I'll tell them to give the plans. So you can use those plans. So any plan you can. So you can download from Google also. A lot of things are available. So for practice purpose, we can use this. So okay. So I've created the levels and grids. Okay. So how to edit the levels, how to edit the grids, everything. Okay. So now I'm going to start walls. Okay. So once I created the grids or levels, then I'll move to walls option. So that wall option will come here. So what is this modify tool means? If you want to come out from the command, escape from the command, or else you can type escape or modify. See, for example, I created wall. You want to come out from this command means just type escape or modify. Okay. So I'm going to select walls. When you select the walls, in the property box, so you can see there are a lot of different types of walls here. Okay, by defaultly, the system, the Revit software have some set of walls here. So we'll see what are the walls here. What's the different between these walls. So there is a some CW. What is CW? It means concrete wall. Okay. Okay. So I'll just move your cursor here. Don't click. So it will show some image. So what is that image indicates means how many layers are using that walls. For example, so this is the assume this is brick wall. So in middle we have bricks. The outer side, inner side we have plastic. Okay. So that will indicate here some gray color, some red color. So the red color will indicates the bricks. Okay. Okay. So right now I don't want these walls, but if you want to try with this wall means I'll take generic wall. We'll go with the some basic wall. Okay. So when you're practicing, you can try these walls. Okay. So right now, in this wall, I'll go to wall option. Here I'm selecting basic generic wall. Okay. So that is 200 mm wall I'll take. But I don't want this 200 mm. So I want brick and the two side, inner side, outer side, plastic. Okay. Okay, how to edit that walls I'll tell you. Okay. So before that, I'll tell you how to draw the wall. Okay. Before draw the wall, so here we have some options. Okay. This height. This is unconnected. This is the height. Okay. So in height, so I want to draw wall from ground floor to first floor. So by default, it will take 8 meters. Okay. By default, if you draw the wall means, if I draw the wall here, so this is the draw tool command. You select this one. So here you can see the draw wall option. So you can draw like a deck line. If you want to draw the rectangular, so this is some pentagonal. Like this you can draw. Okay. So like this, you can try with this surface. If you want, you can take the pick line on this. You can pick this also, so you take. Yeah. But I'll right now I'll take a line only. So here I'll change. So right now I'm in ground floor, that I know. See here. So how to find out the ground floor is that will like it will show here. Okay. It will show in the like gray colors in the project browser. You can find it. So it will indicates you're on the ground floor. Okay. So I want wall from ground floor to first floor. That will select here. Similarly, you can see here. So base constraint is ground level. The top constraint is first floor. Here also you can change. Okay. And the base offset I'll tell you once how to create the wall space, I'll do it. So take a line option. So here location of the line. This is the location of the line means here we have set up some options. If I'll go with the wall center line, okay, I'm drawing wall here, so it will come the center of the wall. If I'll go with another option, this is core center line. This is exterior. You can see it, finish face exterior, finish face interior. Okay. So I will take wall center line only. Okay, see, when I change to ground floor to first floor, automatically the level will take 3 meters. You can see here. Okay. So I'll draw my wall here. So I've created some walls here. Okay. If you want, let's see, for example, the lot of windows are open. If you want to close this window means you want to see only the ground level means. So there is an option here, close inactive windows, inactive views. Okay. Just click here. It will close. Otherwise, you can close from here also. Okay. See, now I've created the plan view, but I want to see the 3D view, how it will. Okay. For that option, you can see here that like small house option will come here. Otherwise, you can go to view 3D view. Just click here, the option will come. You see the 3D will come here. Okay. Right now, this is in hidden line, but I want to see in realistic view. So the sample project I explained. Just make it fine. Okay, always make this one fine. So shaded blue, some consistent colors. It's realistic. Okay. Right now for this wall there is no any properties. It's just like a wall. That's it. So we are not assigned any properties like what type of wall we are not assigned. Just have created just a wall. Okay. So I'll go to my ground level. I'll go to 3D view. At the time, I want to open multiple windows. Means just type WT T. Okay. So right now, I don't want this level one. Okay. So this is some another. So just type WT. See, for example, I've created a wall here. It will come. Okay, for view purpose, you can use this. Okay. That is WT. Otherwise, go to your view option. Okay. So here, tab views, tile views. That is WT. If you want to go to, if you want to see only one level means you can do tab view or else tile view. The view option will show you. Okay. See, in some cases, sometimes the project browser it will sometimes it is not visible means go to view, go to interface, user interface, turn on your project browser and properties. Okay, clear, right? So generally you can take WT is the better. If you don't want to see these two views, then click tab views. It's clear, right? So okay. So now I have created the basic walls, but I don't want this basic wall. Right now, I'm going to delete all these walls. Okay. I'll go to once again architecture. So right now I'll take one basic wall. Okay. So I want to create one like a brick wall, the common one, which will use for the house. Okay. So take the generic wall, go to edit type. There is an option. If you want to edit the walls, go to edit type. So here one type of properties will come. Before editing the wall, you need to duplicate the wall. Duplicate means I have selected some basic wall, this 200 mm. If you are working on this wall means, so the property will assist to this wall. But before, if you want to create a new wall means you have to duplicate yourself with the wall. Okay, just give duplicate, just give name, basic wall, hyphen 300, sorry. So what is the brick size? 190 into 90. So I'll take 230 mm. So that is the, it means 190 mm is the length of the brick, 20 mm is the outside plaster, 20 mm inside. So that will come 230 mm. So I'll take a 230 mm wall. So that name was changed. I have duplicated the wall. So now go to your structure option here. Okay. So in this structure, have an edit option. Click on the edit. So one more dialog box will open here. See, by defaultly, it is in the 200 mm. But I want to add two more layers. So that is the plastering layers. So for that, go to insert option. So insert can do because there's two layers, right? For the plastering inside and outside. Okay. So now I'll select this one. Okay. I'll move this at the middle. Okay. Now I'll change this data. It means that dimension. Okay. I'll make it, this is 190 mm. That is the center of the wall. So this is 20 mm. So total is 230 mm is the wall. Okay. So I have defined the thickness I have given, but I want to give the material. Okay. So for that, here we have this is the function, this is the material, what is the thickness. Okay. So here for this 190 mm, I'll take a brick. Okay. So go here. Just click here. There's on three dots will show. Just click on the three dots. So the material dialog box will open here. So here, so I'll take, assume I'll take a gypsum wall for the plastering, the gypsum English. You can type GY, so automatically will come gypsum wall. Okay, if you want to see the properties of this thing, if you want to change the color means you can change the colors also. Okay, so right now I'm taking by default name. Okay, so this is the property of the material, not the wall. It's property of the material. Okay, I'll select the gypsum. I'll give OK. Sorry, brick I'll do. Oh. select the brick, type brick. Okay, so the brick option come here. Just open here. See that the pattern will everything show here. Okay, so just click OK. For this, I'll create gypsum wallboard. Here and gypsum wallboard. So the gypsum wallboard is the plastic. Okay. So right now I've assigned the thickness, I assigned the materials. Okay. Just give OK. Okay. Then you can see here. You can see that image. So that white color will indicates thickness of the plastering. The red color will indicate the brick. Right now, so I've created the brick wall. Okay. So now I'll draw walls. So go to draw option. Select your wall. Okay. Here, can drag like this. Okay. So we'll try with some arc kind of. Second one here. Right, like this I created. Okay. This will go to the beauty. Okay. So this is your service. I'll go to fine. Realistic, you can see here. Okay. Shade review. Yes. Okay. So this is about the walls, how to create the wall, how to draw the wall, how to create the wall, how to apply the materials. Okay. So any doubts on this? So I'm going to stop here today's session. Okay. So yeah. If you want to rotate means press the shift key and the mouse scroll down button. You can rotate like this. Okay. If you want to rotate around this particular wall means select the wall. Okay. It will rotate like this. Okay. So yeah, so today I'll stop here. Okay. So tomorrow I'll discuss about the floors. Okay. Floors, roofs. So tomorrow I'll cover the floors and roofs. So any doubt on this, you can ask your questions. Okay, sure. So this time we'll take another one. Okay. This time I'll take a concrete, not the brick wall. Brick wall you can try. Same procedure is same, steps are same, but we are selecting the material is different. Okay. So I'll go here. Same one I'm taking. Go to edit type. First you need to duplicate the wall. So I'll type concrete wall. See okay. So edit. So this time I don't want these plastering structures. So I'll select this one. I'll delete. And select. And I'll delete. Okay. So here, assume this is concrete wall minimum thickness how much? Okay. 220. So 200 mm, same procedure here. You can type concrete. So that is cast in situ. Concrete cast in situ. Or else concrete sand cement. This also can. Sometimes some materials is not available here. Means okay, you want different grade of concrete means. In this case, what you have to do is okay. So you have to select from the material library. So you have to select for that. Go here. So this is material library. When you click here, it's a lot of materials available. So what you want, you can select here. Right now, tomorrow I'll explain about this. Okay? I'll get confused. Tomorrow I'll explain. Right now I'll take concrete cast in situ. See that graphics, appearance. Okay. See that some thermal conductivities, heat, density, hormones. So these are some data. Still okay. Give okay. So now, see, concrete rollers are created. Okay, right now, so now what I'll do means I'll delete the exterior walls. So now I'll take okay. So this time I'll take a pick option. Okay, but I don't want this extra portions. So for that, here I have some modify tools. Okay, so these are the modify tools. Here we have trim and extend. So these tools I'll explain. Okay, so just see, go to trim and extend, select here and here. Those two also will maintain it. Okay, and see here the physical appearance will be look like as a oh. Okay, so yeah, so today I'm going to stop today's session. So yeah, we have covered the 10 minutes. Okay, tomorrow ask your questions. What are the questions you have? So before starting class, so try to come offline or online. So they have to install your software in your laptop for your practice purpose. If you don't have a PC laptop, means you can come to our office and you can practice it. So yeah, that's it for today's class. So tomorrow, yeah.